Well, and you've heard me say this over and over. It's the process trumps the tool. Whatever tool you're utilizing to take those notes, the process is more important, but an effective tool can support and enhance the process. And people will say, well, it might take away from the free flow of ideas. And I would argue it actually generates the free flow because you're using the structure to get to creative and innovative thinking. It doesn't stifle, it enhances incredibly when it comes to the creativity and innovation that comes when we start working through the process.